Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Kent C-4 carpet extractor. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it'll help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So if we have a damaged brush breaker or a weak brush breaker, and we have to replace it, very easy, this is how we do it. So the first step is we have to remove these 4 Phillips head screws holding the operation panel to the machine. Just like that. So with the wires exposed to the circuit breaker, the first thing we want to do is pop off the wires. Just like that. Flip it over, and now we're going to take this nut off the front side. And now we can pull the circuit breaker out through the back. Just like that. Now take your new circuit breaker and just reverse your steps. Push it back down. Hold it into place. Put the washer and nut back on the front and tighten that down. Now just plug your wires back in. Like that. Last but not least, going to go ahead and insert the panel back to the machine and tighten down the 4 screws that we took out. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Remember to always stay safe, and thanks for watching.